Muthenya wa ira DP Muhagũre Rigathi wa Gachagua ni arakorirwo agithie kanitha wa PCA kuria Kasarani, and something happened. Kaundu karakorirwo gagitiga a Kenya makiaria muno kuona Gachagua ndakoretwo akionekana muingi-ini since the deadly attack kuria Limuru. Gachagua arakorirwo akiyumiria na these men in black, something that left Kenyans talking, some asking if at all thirikari ni icokeirie Gachagua security yake. No before twarie icio, Senator Karungo wa Thang'wa ni akorirwo agitariria na agitenderithia matua Gachagua agukorwo agikinyukia going forward ni undu wa attack iyo yamukorire kuria Limuru that almost took his life. Gachagua agukorwo akihuga na mishamanio ya muingi, and he will only be talking to Kenyans via phone calls. Storia agikoretwo agika mishamanio-ini mwanya mwanya gugitwika tharikiro ya kuria Limuru ni akorirwo ikionania ati mifango iriho ya gutigirira Gachagua ni eguta kaimana. Senator Karungo wa Thang'wa agitheria ndeto icio makiria na kuga his friends arata a Gachagua will be attending these meetings na kuhe a Kenya kanya kwaraniria na Gachagua via phone calls, na anytime Gachagua ariyumiragia muingi-ini ni arikoragwo agithie hamwe na this security, these men in black, akorwo agikofia njira itumagirwo ni Raila Odinga. Uno nake akoragwo agitumira these hired men in black in most cases niguo gutigirira security yake ni aikara wega. Karungo wa Thang'wa agitariria kiuga ati tharikiro ya kuria Limuru ni akorirwo ikionania ati ni makwina mifango ya gutigirira ati Gachagua ni eguta kaimana, na koguo nikio muthenya wa ira riria areyumiririe muingi-ini aragikorwo akionekana na these hired security, these men in black aria tukio magitumagirwo ni political leader ta Raila Odinga. Ni ukona mawoni maria Akenya makorirwo makiruta thutha wa gukuigwo ria Karungo wa Thang'wa agikorirwo akiaria agitariria matua DP Muhagũre Rigathi wa Gachagua agukorwo agikinyukia ta security yake ni undu wa kuona tharikiro iria yakihanikire kuria Limuru yakiri njuru muno and almost took his life.